Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to use Snap Camera on Ome TV and how to use those filters in Ome TV. So for you to be able to get your Snap Camera fixed onto your Ome TV or set up, so these are the step-by-step guide for you. So first things first, here are the things that you need to have onto your device. So you need to have OBS Studio for that, and the certain file in here or the zip file that we're gonna link in the description box below so that you could download this as well. And of course, Snap Camera. So you need this to be downloaded onto your device to get started. Then right after, once you have downloaded that, the first thing that you'll need to do is to extract the files onto OBS Cam Registry Fixer. So this is the file that we're gonna link in the description. So you'll just have to extract it so that you could get the files from here. And now as you can see, we have successfully extracted a file already. You'll just need to open this one first. And right after that, you'll just have to click onto the file that you could see in here or the folder. So we'll have to click onto that one and you should be able to see these two files, and we're gonna go ahead and try to execute this too. So just simply click onto these two in here to activate this. So you should be able to see something like this right after you have clicked onto that and added it. So the next step for this one, so just close this one, and then right after, you need to head to the device manager of your PC. So here on the device manager, you'll just need to head or find camera. So click onto this and you need to disable the other camera aside from Snap Camera. So we're gonna right click onto that and disable this device. So as you can see, we're just gonna click onto yes for this, and then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and minimize the device manager since we need to go back onto this one again later on. So let's minimize that, and then right after, let's head onto the settings of your browser. So the next thing to do right after that, once you're already onto the settings, you'll just need to search in here camera and click onto site settings. So you'll just have to click onto that, and then right after, you're just gonna need to find these permissions of the camera in here. Click onto that one, and then as you can see, we have here the Snap Camera and this one. So you need to choose the other one in here instead of the Snap Camera. So just click onto that. So what we need to do right after, since we mentioned earlier that we're gonna need the OBS Studio, so you need to install that one. And then once you're already here onto the OBS Studio, you'll just need to click onto the sources in here. So just click onto the plus button in here, and then right after, you need to find the video capture device. So click onto that one in here, and right after, just click onto OK, and then you'll be headed onto the properties for that, and then you're just gonna choose Snap Camera onto the devices. So click onto that one, click onto OK, and then you could go ahead and try to resize it onto your device like that so that it should look like this. Then right after, we're gonna go ahead and head back onto the device manager in here, and then since we've disabled in here the camera, we're gonna go ahead and try to enable this again onto your device. So right after it has been enabled, you're just gonna need to head back onto your Snap Camera and choose the filter that you want to use onto your Ome TV. Then go back to OBS Studio, click on Start Virtual Camera, and you should be able to get Snap Camera started on your Ome TV and use its filter. And that's just basically it onto using the Snap Camera onto Ome TV. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.